Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to do conditional formatting in a Google Sheet. The reason why you may want to do this is to highlight specific information so that you don't have to sort through it manually. You can just set a criteria up on the data and it would highlight the information for you so that you can easily identify with it. So I am going to show you how to do that. So at first, I'm going to highlight my grade column. And my grade column values range from 1 through 17. And I'm going to go up to the Format menu, go down to Conditional Formatting. And I always want to make sure that my range is correct, which it is. And I'm going to format my cells with a certain condition. So if the value is less than or equal to 5, I want to format my cells with a red background and click Done. And you can see here that my cells that have a less than a 5 or less than or equal to 5 is highlighted with a red background. So I want to add a new rule. And I'm going to highlight my range again. And let me put that in here. And if the cell value is between a 6 and we'll say 8, we're going to format the cell with a yellow background and hit Done. And I'm going to add another rule and always check your range. And I'm going to select if the cell value is greater than or equal to 9, format my column with a green background. And you can see here that it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Now, if I wanted to go in and I wanted to delete these rules for my column, all I do is simply click on the cell that has the rule, and I can go over to the rules here on the right panel, and I can simply hover over the garbage can or the trash can, and it will delete it. So that's how you create conditional format rules in Google Sheets. I hope you found this screencast helpful.